This video is from my English professor at YouTube. I am Nuala Nunu Mary Linka, and I am your friendly teacher guide. Our topic is, what is a block quote and how is it formatted in an essay? A block quote is a quote of 4 or more typewritten lines, is indented 5 spaces from the left margin, so it is in its own paragraph, does not have quotation marks. A block quote looks like this. And here we see an example of a block quote. It meets the 3 requirements in regard to format for block quotes. 1, 4 or more typewritten lines, and we can see that here. 2, indented 5 spaces, 1 tab from the left margin, so it's in its own paragraph, and we can see that here. And 3, no quotation marks at its beginning or at its end. Because the quote is separated in its own paragraph, the reader knows this is a quote, it's understood, so there's no need for quotation marks at the beginning or at the end of a block quote. Let's look at another example of a block quote. A block quote looks like this. And here we see our second example of the block quote, and it meets the 3 formatting requirements for block quotes: 4 or more typewritten lines, 2, indented 5 spaces, 1 tab from the left margin, so it's in its own paragraph here, and of course 3, no quotation marks at the beginning or at the end. How do I indent a block quote on my computer? That's a question students frequently ask me, and I have an answer. Watch this My English Professor at YouTube video. Simply click on this video or copy it and paste it in a search window on the net, and you can learn how to format a block quote. Put it in its own paragraph on your computer. This video is from my English professor at YouTube. I am Nuala Nunu Mary Linka, and I am your friendly teacher guide.